Okay. So bolana ke eFrance eKenzi wabona zonke lezi zinto. I hope ukuthi uyawamanager ukuyithola ke French kiss kodwa ke before siyalapha unjele, how has been your experiences?
I've really enjoyed myself. I've had a great experience. I've learned a lot, and I'm looking forward to going home and making things happen.
What sort of things?
I'm currently working on a project. It's a film, and when I go home, I want to try and do some work so that I can fund it, because I'm looking for money. I'm going to try some crowdfunding, and I'm also going to start my business that will help me to get the money to fund the film.
Nice. What kind of business?
I'm going to be a funeral crier, so if people have funerals, they can hire me to come and cry at the funeral.
I go change you. My. We are post on Facebook. Your words. Money tempting, and I declined the invitation. You're a professional one.
Yes, because I need money, and I've realized that this is a service that we need in our community, because these days people spend a lot of money on makeup, and it's unfair for family members to be wasting their makeup crying. So when there are people like us who are professionals and who are willing to cry just for a small fee, I think families should invest in that. Even Masnwabisanes should have that, like where they pay us to go and be criers. Because it's sad, imagine if you died and nobody cried.
So,
yes. Just like you have singers at weddings, but they come and sing to entertain the people. So what I do is I go to a funeral and make people even more sad.
By crying a lot?
Yes, I cry. And I don't charge a lot, and I listen to your needs. Like, you tell me what sort of crying you want. For example, if you want like normal sadness, like our shame, then that's only 250 rands. But if you want like serious crying, like hee, away, then the prices goes up. And if you want me to like cry and threaten to fall in the grave, then the prices go up again. But if you want me to cry and like call you a superhero, like, then the money goes up. And you've noticed that some of my friends are celebrities. So sometimes, if you have a good budget, I can come with my celebrity friends and make your funeral look super posh. If I come with my celebrity friends, then it's more money.
Yeah, man. We are when you can cry and threaten to fall into the grave.
Yes.
What happens if you know bad?
No. I've practiced. I know how not to focus. I tried to get an insurance just in case I fall, so that they can cover if I break, maybe I break my ankle. But they said no, they can't cover that. So I just threatened. I know how to stand in a way where I'll be like, but and then I come back. Yes. I think this is an important service. And a lot of countries are doing it. If you go on the internet, you'll find that this is a service that a lot of countries are doing it. And I don't like that in South Africa we are always behind.
Yeah.
So
we want to keep up to date.
Keep up to date and help people. Because even the things we buy to go to funerals, they're so expensive. So you don't want to cry and end up ruining your clothes when there are people like me who are talented, which you can just cry. If you tell me now, say cry, I'll cry.
I say nanko ke ikhona ke ngeke ngayibona ilink lapha ethi rentemona.co.uk yikho la uzoya khona uyafuna lo msebenzi.
No, I'm opening my own business, and because I'm the only person, I'm the only shareholder, I'm a black woman and I'll be wearing black, I qualify for PEE.
Empowered women, empowered professional owner. Thenjiwe. I say
thank you, and please support my business. If you need a crier at your funeral, go to my page and send me a message. Thank you.